So if you're asked to find a recursive formula, so it gives you some of the terms of the sequence and says, hey, what's the recursive formula? Should be fairly straightforward. It shouldn't have any real complex stuff going on. It should just be multiplying or adding something or possibly subtracting something or maybe even dividing, but not anything where there's like two or three things going on all at once. Okay, realistically, if you see it on a test. If we want to give you something that's kind of more difficult to see kind of where you are, we may give you something like that, but it would be at the end of an assessment, worth just a little bit of credit just to kind of separate the people who are doing extremely well from those who are just doing, pretty good. So, anyways, if you have one of these, you have to know if it's geometric or arithmetic. And remember, geometric is multiplying, arithmetic is adding. All right. And both times you're going to take the previous term and you're going to either multiply something by it or add something to it. All right. And then the big thing is that when you do this, you have to state A1. So you have to say A1 equals, and then you need to know this number. So if you don't get A1 as part of what you're told, you have to find it. All right. So you should have two parts. You should have AN equals, and then whatever the heck, AN minus 1 with a plus or a times or something. Something's going on right here. And then the big thing is you have to tell me, what A1 is. Okay. There's some harder recursive problems to solve at the end of this file, finding terms, not the formulas. Make sure you go down and do those because those are the ones that tend to show up on Regents exams when they want to be a little ugly and see if you know what you're doing really, really well. All right, so make sure you try a few of those. They're down past where they ask you to find the formulas.